Hello everybody. In this video, we will further learn how to use NBGC cycles and how to use the table. So we will use the Mercury retrograde and see how it can be used for the trading. So under the planet, under the aspects, this is retrograde, Mercury retrograde, exit. Okay, so this is the Mercury retrograde. It will plot throughout the history when the Mercury was retrograde. How you can use this table is under the run quick statistics. This table is made. It goes back in the history. So here you see that 125 times the Mercury was retrograde, and this is for the S&P 500. And 63% of the time during the retrograde phase, the market has closed up, and 37% of the time it was down. Now, how you can use this is more important. So in this table here, you can see that this is a price of ingress, the closing price of the ingress. This is the lowest point during the retrograde period. This is the highest point during the retrograde period. And this is the exit point. So from ingress to exit, what the market did, this result is here, that 63% of the time it has closed up and 37% of the time it is closed down. Now the more important how I use in my trading is I try to see that how much during this phase from ingress, how much percentage market went down. So here it is, this is an ingress from the down, and at the down it will give you the average price, how much percentage on an average it was down. So that's quite a big list. So average 3.09% it was down. You can play around with these numbers, putting these datas in Excel, and then you can see that removing the outliers, you can get broader idea that up to what percent during those 3 weeks of Mercury retrograde the market was down, and from there you can play and you can go long. And here the next column here, it is from that ingress point how much it was up. Then if it has made a low before, then from low to high how much it rallies. So it's a quite significant. And if high is made before and then it starts dropping, or high is made and from high when the Mercury retrograde ends, so high to exit, what happens? So that also gives you a broader understanding in those 3 weeks time that what a market is going to do. Then there is another phenomenon. Up to here, this is a complete Mercury retrograde 3-week phase. So from this part down, the second portion of the table, it gives you the understanding of the midpoint. So usually Mercury is retrograde for 21 days, 3 weeks. So from the retrograde till midpoint, what that market has done, how much it has gone up, how much it has gone down, and what happens exactly at the end of the midpoint. So this is an additional feature which will give you a edge over other parameters, and this can be used with any kind of technical indicators or planetary lines, and this gives you a phenomenon results how to use this successfully on your trading. Thank you for listening.